उसने सोचने के लिए समय नहीं दिया। He didn't give time to think. He didn't give time to think. मेरे पास अब बिल्कुल काम नहीं है। I have no work at all now. I have no work at all now. वो अब और ज़्यादा मेहनत करेगा। He will work harder now. He will work harder now. मैं उसके साथ समय बिताऊंगा। I will spend time with him. I will spend time with him. हम उनके लिए खाना बनाएंगे। We will cook for them. We will cook for them. उसे अपनी जान की परवाह नहीं है। He doesn't care about his life. He doesn't care about his life. वो मेरा पूरा साथ देगा। He will support me fully. He will support me fully. वे हमें कुछ नया बताएंगे। They will tell us something new. वे हमें कुछ नया बताएंगे। They will tell us something new. उस जगह पर अंधेरा है। There is darkness in that place. There is darkness in that place. अब ये कभी कोई गलती नहीं करेगा। Now he will never commit any mistake. Now he will never commit any mistake. मैं उन कागजों पर अंगूठा नहीं लगाऊंगा। I won't thumb on those papers. I won't thumb on those papers. मैं आज तुम्हारे साथ नहीं आ सकता। I can't come with you today. I can't come with you today. बोलने से पहले सोचा करो। Think before you speak. Think before you speak. क्या तुम्हें लगता है मैं जीतूंगा? Do you think I will win? Do you think I will win? मैं तुम्हारे ही बारे में सोच रहा था। I was thinking about you. मैं तुम्हारे ही बारे में सोच रहा था। I was thinking about you. मैं हंसना तो भूल ही गया हूँ। I have forgotten to laugh. I have forgotten to laugh. मगर तुम इतना चिल्ला क्यों रही हो? But why are you so shouting? But why are you so shouting? इस वक्त तुम होश में नहीं हो। You are not in your senses right now. You are not in your senses right now. मैं अपने किए पर बहुत शर्मिंदा हूँ। I am very much ashamed for what I did. I am very much ashamed for what I did. आपको ऐसा सामान रोज रोज नहीं मिलेगा। You won't get such stuff every day. You won't get such stuff every day. मुझे एक मुस्कान के साथ विदा करो। Send me off with a smile. Send me off with a smile. ये तो बस समझने की बात है। It's just a matter of understanding. ये तो बस समझने की बात है। It's just a matter of understanding. ये तो दोस्ती का एक छोटा सा तोहफा है। It's just a little gift of friendship. It's just a little gift of friendship. तुम ये छोटी सी भेंट स्वीकार कर लो। You accept this small gift. You accept this small gift. आपने मुझे दावत क्यों दी? Why did you invite me? Why did you invite me? उसे वक्त की परवाह नहीं है। He doesn't care about the time. He doesn't care about the time. मैंने जो कुछ भी किया वो मेरा फर्ज था। Whatever I did was my duty. Whatever I did was my duty. बहुत ही बदतमीज किस्म के आदमी हो तुम। You are really a mannerless person. You are really a mannerless person. आपको कुछ अलग करना पड़ेगा। You will have to do something different. You will have to do something different. झूठ बोलना आपको शोभा नहीं देता। Lying doesn't suit you. Lying doesn't suit you. मुझे तुम पर भरोसा करना चाहिए था। I should have trusted you. I should have trusted you. हमें हमारी दोस्ती तोड़नी ही पड़ेगी। We will have to break our friendship. We will have to break our friendship. मैं बाकी लोगों की तरह नहीं हूँ। I am not like the rest of the people. I am not like the rest of the people. मैं तुम्हारे साथ ही तो बड़ा हुआ हूँ। I have grown up with you. I have grown up with you. इंसान का दिल बड़ा होना चाहिए। A person's heart should be big. A person's heart should be big. मैं जीतने के लिए कुछ भी करूँगा। I will do anything to win. I will do anything to win. यही तो तुम्हें पता लगाना है। That's what you have to find out. That's what you have to find out. आज के लिए इतना ही काफ़ी है। This is enough for today. आज के लिए इतना ही काफ़ी है। This is enough for today. उसने मेरी कुछ ज़्यादा ही तारीफ कर दी। She praised me too much. She praised me too much. कोई इतनी जल्दी हार कैसे मान सकता है? How can anybody give up so soon? How can anybody give up so soon? तुम्हारा वहाँ जाना जरूरी है क्या? Is it important for you to go there? Is it important for you to go there? कभी-कभी ये बिना वजह रुक जाता है। Sometimes it stops without any reason. Sometimes it stops without any reason. सिर्फ तुम ही उसे मना सकती हो। Only you can convince him. Only you can convince him. ये कोई आसान काम नहीं है। This is not an easy task. This is not an easy task. आज मैं थका-थका महसूस कर रहा हूँ। Today I am feeling tired and exhausted. Today I am feeling tired and exhausted. मैं आपके साथ बैठना चाहूँगा। I would like to sit with you. I would like to sit with you. तुम एकदम ठीक बोल रहे हो। You are absolutely right. You are absolutely right. इसमें मेरा कोई हाथ नहीं है। I am not involved in this. I am not involved in this. मेरी तरफ से सॉरी बोल देना उसको। Say sorry to her on my behalf. Say sorry to her on my behalf. पहले मेरा काम पूरा करो। Finish my work first. पहले मेरा काम पूरा करो। Finish my work first. पता नहीं मेरे साथ यह सब क्या हो रहा है। Don't know what is happening with me. Don't know what is happening with me. वह मेरे दूर के चाचा लगते हैं। He seems to be my distant uncle. He seems to be my distant uncle. मेरी मुलाकात कभी-कभी होती है उससे। I meet him sometimes. I meet him sometimes. उसने सफ़ेद शर्ट और काली जीन्स पहनी थी। He wore a white shirt and black jeans. He wore a white shirt and black jeans. कितने अच्छे आदमी थे वो। He was such a nice person. He was such a nice person. वहाँ आगे कुछ लोग लड़ाई कर रहे हैं। Some people are fighting ahead there. Some people are fighting ahead there. बात आगे नहीं बढ़नी चाहिए. The matter should not proceed further. बात आगे नहीं बढ़नी चाहिए. The matter should not proceed further. खुद को कभी अकेला मत समझना. Never consider yourself alone. Never consider yourself alone. अच्छा होगा तुम यहाँ से चले जाओ. You had better go from here. You had better go from here. हम अपनी मंजिल में पहुँचने ही वाले हैं. We are about to reach our destination. We are about to reach our destination. क्या आपको अच्छी नींद आई? Did you sleep well? क्या आपको अच्छी नींद आई? Did you sleep well? हमने रास्ते में एक अजीब चीज देखी. We saw an awkward thing on the way. We saw an awkward thing on the way. क्या तुमने हाल ही में उसे देखा है? Have you seen him recently? Have you seen him recently? मुझे ये पहेली सुलझानी है. I have to solve this puzzle. I have to solve this puzzle. आपको कौन सी मूवी सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है? Which movie do you like the most? Which movie do you like the most? तुम्हारे दिमाग में भूसा भरा है. Your head is full of kelp. Your head is full of kelp. हमारे बीच बातचीत नहीं है. We don't talk to each other. We don't talk to each other. वो मुझे शायद दूसरा मौका ना दे. Maybe he doesn't give me another chance. Maybe he doesn't give me another chance. मेरा सिर चकरा रहा है. I am feeling giddy. मेरा सिर चकरा रहा है. I am feeling giddy. वैसे तो वो अच्छा है मगर मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता. Although he is very nice but I don't like him. Although he is very nice but I don't like him. वैसे तो मैंने उसे बुलाया था. Although I had called him. Although I had called. वो चाय पिए या ना पिए मैं तो पीऊँगा. I will drink tea whether he drinks or not. I will drink tea whether he drinks or not. वैसे तो वो सब मेरे अपने हैं. Although they are my family. Although they are my family. मेरे बाल लंबे हुआ करते थे. I used to have long hair. I used to have long hair. लोग दूर दूर से आते हैं. People come from far and wide. People come from far and wide. तुमसे मिलने का मन कर रहा है. I feel like meeting you. I feel like meeting you. वो अभी भी बुरे दौर से गुजर रहा है. He is still going through a bad phase. He is still going through a bad phase. यह मेरा अपना फैसला है. This is my own decision. This is my own decision. तुम बहुत आलसी हो गए हो. You have become very lazy. You have become very lazy. तुम बहुत पतले हो गए हो. You have become very skinny. You have become very skinny. तुम बहुत बदतमीज हो गए हो. You have become very rude. You have become very rude. प्रवेश द्वार से दूर खड़े रहो. Stand away from the entrance. Stand away from the entrance. कपड़ों पर इस्त्री कर दो. Iron the clothes. कपड़ों पर इस्त्री कर दो. Iron the clothes. कपड़े वॉशिंग मशीन में डालो. Put the clothes in the washing machine. Put the clothes in the washing machine. सूची में आपका नाम क्या है? What is your name on the list? What is your name on the list? वह आदमी अपने शब्दों का पक्का है. He is a man of words. He is a man of words. मैं होटल में अपनी चाबी भूल गया. I forgot my keys in the hotel. I forgot my keys in the hotel. हमेशा खुश रहने की कोशिश करें. Always try to be happy. Always try to be happy. अपना खाना ठीक से खाओ. Eat your lunch properly. Eat your lunch properly. अपने सपनों को कभी नहीं छोड़े. Never give up on your dreams. Never give up on your dreams. वाक्य को ध्यान से पढ़े. Read the sentence carefully. Read the sentence carefully. क्या आप इस कुर्सी पर आराम महसूस कर रहे हैं? Are you feeling comfortable in this chair? Are you feeling comfortable in this chair? आशा है कि आप सभी ने शो का आनंद लिया. Hope you all enjoyed the show. Hope you all enjoyed the show. क्या आप आवाज कम कर सकते हैं? Can you turn the volume down? Can you turn the volume down? कृपया जितनी जल्दी हो सके चले जाओ. Please leave as soon as possible. Please leave as soon as possible. मैं अपना सर्वश्रेष्ठ प्रदर्शन करने की कोशिश करूंगा. I will try to give my best performance. I will try to give my best performance. क्या मैं यहाँ तुम्हारे साथ रह सकती हूँ? Can I stay here with you? Can I stay here with you? सीढ़ियों से धीरे धीरे चले. Walk slowly from the stairs. Walk slowly from the stairs. तुम कल क्यों नहीं आए? Why were you absent yesterday? Why were you absent yesterday? आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you very much. आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you very much. मुझे यह पोशाक पसंद है. I like this dress. मुझे यह पोशाक पसंद है. I like this dress. कृपया अपना बैग ठीक से पैक करें. Please pack your bags properly. Please pack your bags properly. मुझे किताब पढ़ने में 2 दिन लगे. It took me 2 days to read the book. It took me 2 days to read the book. मुझे आदेश देने का आपको कोई अधिकार नहीं है. You have no right to order me. You have no right to order me. क्या आप उनसे बात नहीं करते हैं? Don't you talk to him? Don't you talk to him? मुझे आइसक्रीम दिलाओ. Get me ice cream. मुझे आइसक्रीम दिलाओ. Get me ice cream. माफ करना मेरे दिमाग से निकल गया. Sorry, it escaped from my mind. Sorry, it escaped from my mind. हम लगभग 5 बजे पहुंचे. We reached at about 5 o'clock. We reached at about 5 o'clock. तुम्हारे मुंह से प्याज की गंध आ रही है. Your mouth is smelling of onion. Your mouth is smelling of onion. अब बात को ज़्यादा बढ़ाओ मत. Don't stretch the matter further. Don't stretch the matter further. मुझे वही मिला जो मैं चाहता था. I got what I want. I got what I want. वह अभी तक पहुंचा ही नहीं. He hasn't arrived yet. He hasn't arrived yet. यहाँ कोई कुछ भी बताने को तैयार नहीं है. No one is ready to tell us anything here. No one is ready to tell us anything here. इससे ज़्यादा मैं और कुछ नहीं कह सकता. I can't say more than this. I can't say more than this. मैं इसे आप ही के बारे में बता रही थी. I was telling him about you. I was telling him about you. मुझसे चालाकी मत करो. Don't get smart with me. Don't get smart with me. मुझे कोई नहीं रोक सकता. No one can stop me. मुझे कोई नहीं रोक सकता. No one can stop me. मुझे तुम्हारी हरकतें पसंद नहीं है. I don't like your doings. I don't like your doings. वह आपसे झूठ बोल रहा है. He is lying to you. He is lying to you. मैं तुम्हारे बारे में चिंतित हूँ. I am worried about you. I am worried about you. मेरे ख्याल से तुम सही हो. I think you are right. I think you are right. तुम परेशान दिख रहे हो. You look upset. तुम परेशान दिख रहे हो. You look upset. वह काबू में नहीं है. He is out of hand. वह काबू में नहीं है. He is out of hand. क्या तुम मेरा एक काम करोगे? Will you do me a favor? Will you do me a favor? डिनर में क्या है? What's for dinner? डिनर में क्या है? What's for dinner? क्या आपको यह पसंद है? Do you like it? क्या आपको यह पसंद है? Do you like it? तुमने यह क्यों किया? Why did you do it? तुमने यह क्यों किया? Why did you do it? मेरी नज़रों से दूर हो जाओ. Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight. लेकिन मेरी मदद के लिए किसी ने हाथ नहीं बढ़ाया. But no one extended a hand to help me. But no one extended a hand to help me. किताब हाथों हाथ बिक गया. The book sold out instantly. The book sold out instantly. मेरी किस्मत तुम्हारे हाथ में है. My fate is in your hand. My fate is in your hand. तुम यहीं रुको. मैं अभी आई. You stay here. I will be right back. You stay here. I will be right back. मैं तुम्हें एक बात बताता हूँ. Let me tell you one thing. Let me tell you one thing. मुझे बहुत जोर की भूख लगी है. I am feeling very hungry. I am feeling very hungry. क्या खाना बन गया है? Is the dinner ready? क्या खाना बन गया है? Is the dinner ready? बात को हंसी में मत उड़ाओ. Don't laugh away the matter. Don't laugh away the matter. सुनी सुनाई बात पर भरोसा मत करो. Don't trust on hearsay. Don't trust on hearsay. तुम सही में छुपे रुस्तम हो. You are such a dark horse. You are such a dark horse. वह जोर जोर से खराटे ले रहा था. He was snoring loudly. He was snoring loudly. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा छींकें आ रही है. I am sneezing a lot. I am sneezing a lot. मेरी तबीयत दिन ब दिन बिगड़ती जा रही है. My health is worse day by day. My health is worse day by day. काश कोई मुझसे बात करता. I wish someone talked to me. I wish someone talked to me. मैसेज करने का आपका तरीका ही अलग है. Your way of texting is different. Your way of texting is different. इस अवसर को मत छोड़ो. Don't miss this opportunity. Don't miss this opportunity. तुम्हें उसे समझाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You don't need to convince him. You don't need to convince him. तुम्हारी मनमर्जी नहीं चलेगी. Your willfulness will not run. Your willfulness will not run. तुमने किस डॉक्टर से दिखाया? Which doctor did you consult? Which doctor did you consult? कहाँ हो तुम? मैं तुम्हें हफ्ते भर से ढूंढ रहा हूँ. Where are you? I have been looking for you all week. Where are you? I have been looking for you all week. वह आजकल बहुत पढ़ाई कर रहा है. He has been studying hard recently. He has been studying hard recently. मैं दिन भर से चल रहा हूँ. मेरे पैर दुख रहे हैं. I have been walking all day. My feet are hurting. I have been walking all day. My feet are hurting. वह आजकल काम पर देरी से आ रहा है. He has been coming to work late recently. ढोंग करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. There is no need to pretend. There is no need to pretend. यहाँ से सीधे चले जाओ. Go straight from here. Go straight from here. और कुछ नहीं. Nothing else. और कुछ नहीं. Nothing else. Nothing else. मैंने किसी का क्या बिगाड़ा? What harm did I do to anyone? What harm did I do to anyone? इंसानियत नाम की भी कोई चीज होती है. There is something called humanity too. There is something called humanity too. इन सारी दुखों की जड़ मैं हूँ. I am the root cause of all this suffering. I am the root cause of all this suffering. जल्दी से तैयार हो जाओ. Get dressed quickly. जल्दी से तैयार हो जाओ. Get dressed quickly. इसका तो सवाल ही पैदा नहीं होता. It's out of the question. It's out of the question. तुम्हारा शर्ट उल्टा लग रहा है. Your shirt is looking inside out. Your shirt is looking inside out. जल्दी क्या है उसे जाने दो. What's the hurry? Let him go. What's the hurry? Let him go. दूसरों की हंसी मत उड़ाओ. Don't make fun of others. Don't make fun of others. झूठ बोलना कोई तुमसे सीखे. One should learn lying from you. One should learn lying from you. ये लड़कियों वाले जूते हैं. These are girly shoes. These are girly shoes. तुम कुछ बोलते क्यों नहीं? Why don't you speak anything? Translate it. मुझे ठंड लग रही है. थैंक यू. वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें.